One of the opportunities afforded by Curry's 4,000 level course this semester was the chance to go and tour News Station 1226, or WRDW. One student, aspiring meteorologist Lily McDonald, got to go a step further, meeting with a couple of the meteorologists who worked down at the station. She loved the chance to learn about her future career and took away quite a lot from the class this semester.
Being able to move in the different positions that we have, being an anchor or a reporter, and taking those skills to hopefully use one day, like as I said, in a newsroom, it's amazing. It's an amazing opportunity.
The goal of a course like this is to prepare students for the real-life experience of some of the careers available to their degree. Cody Robertson, a senior in the communications major, loved the opportunity to explore one of the places that his passion for production could take him.
I like the feel of it. I like the fact that there's always something crazy going on, the fact that you're not going to do the same thing every day. I like that a lot. And I think I gained a lot of insight into what the job might actually be versus just from the outside looking in, trying to figure it out for myself.
Robertson has just one semester left as this one comes to a close, and loves that he was able to make this class one of his last at Augusta University.
I think the stories that I heard from like the MMJs I talked to, from News 12 and 26, and like the producers I talked to and that kind of thing that Professor Curry was able to get us in contact with, those are the things that I'm gonna probably take away the most.